fire front is now past us, proceeding over to the north. Crews are blacking out minor spot fires in order to prevent it spreading over to properties. With visibilities down to about 1 to 2 metres.
Okay, so we're down here at Tarmore. Just had the fire front pass through here approximately 5 to 10 minutes ago. It's gone to the northeast of here on a southwesterly wind. We still have some spot fires and running grass fires behind the line of properties. Crew from City of Sydney.
G'day guys, this is Tristan. We've just helped him save his house, but Tristan's put in a lot of work. How old are you, Tristan?
12.
So because Tristan helped us, we're going to let him have a bit of a real go on the hose itself. Ready, Tristan?
Yes.
Rightio, 10 around, we'll get you ready. So just kneel on my shoes until you get dirty. Yeah, rightio, when you're ready, slowly. Feet hands out. From there. That's it.
And if you feel to maybe it gets into the slow scrub.
We're somewhere south of Pidon. We've just pulled up to protect the service station. The fire front has passed us, and now we're trying to get water.
Pump 19 did a cracking job holding it off along a little ridge along the southern side there. Managed to save about 3 or 4 structures. Fire's gone past here now, so there's more structures to the north of us which are being impacted, so slowly being leapfrogged and redeployed down the line. Doing the best we can.
There's a wreckers behind this, and then there's properties beyond that, but we can't get past that. And the fire's right on it.
I know, in fact,
I'm going to go forward, maintain protection here.
yes.
Work for 2, I'll bring in another motor as soon as I can get it. I'm going to go forward to see where it is.
Yep.
Righto.
Alright, sweet.
Now moving to a school in the rear. I've deployed an asset for fire and rescue down there to maintain property protection, working with the RFS at this time. So the fire has spread through here under wind-driven conditions. We've maintained protection of the service station. There's a wrecking yard at the rear of here, large fuel tanks at the rear. The fire has progressed into the rear of the school.
I think the best thing if we go to contact operations and get reassigned to Dry Lake and Buxton because they're having a hell of a time over there.
Hi, I'm Erin and I'm from Preston Fire Station.
Hi, I'm Reese, I'm also from Hurston Fire Station.
So today we've mainly been focusing on property protection around the Tarmore area, particularly looking after the houses that have just been down this street and making sure that all the residents are out and that they're safe.
At the moment we're just filling up with water and then we're just going to head back out there and do more property protection.
One of our biggest concerns with bushfires are obviously power lines, falling trees and also our water supply. So we have to be really mindful that we really conserve our water and absolutely look after saving what is safe.
We're on Remembrance Drive at Tarmore. Just had the fire front come back around on the wind change. We've got a number of houses to the west of us. Pretty severe fire conditions, trying to jump the road. We managed to knock it down before it gets into the gully and run onto the houses. So, yeah, pretty interesting 5 minutes, but the crew's done really well.
The fire had passed through earlier, but as we can see now, the fire is now impacting on us and coming down the creek. It's going to come down to the creek, but it's going to flare up as it hits these big trees. But the main thing is we've got these lovely structures here that are now undefended. We now need to protect them. And the fire is also up and behind us up here in the hills as well.
Name's Captain William Morris from 421 Pidon. This fire's been predominantly in our local area, in the response area. We have been providing our light tanker in the strike teams, and our pump has been predominantly used for AAO calls. So today we've been responding to AAO calls, spot fires, structures alight. It's been a very busy day for the crew.
So Rescue Pump 1 has just been informed we're getting relieved for the night. It's 2100 hours, 9 o'clock at night. It's been a massive day for everyone, like fire and rescue as well as RFS and everyone involved in today's procedures and firefighting operations. So we're all pretty knackered. We've done the best we can for the community out here around Tarmore, Bargo and the Southern Highland area. Still a lot of fire fronts going, still pretty severe fire conditions, so the crews coming in to relieve us for the evening will be working really, really hard. So we wish them the best of luck and hope they stay safe. So yeah, we're still on shift, so we're pulling away hoses up and working out what we've got, and we'll go and fill the truck up and put some water in ourselves and head back into the city of Sydney to undertake our night shift. So I think we've got our fingers crossed. It'll be hopefully a quiet night, but you never quite know, and that's the joy of the job.